In the land of castles and modern charm, let's find our own Irish adventure. Make Ireland your new workplace, a step-by-step guide to work visas. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Visa X Paradise. In this video, I'm going to share each and every detail about work visa for Ireland. So without any delay, let's start the video. So guys, here is our website, Critical Skills Employment Permit. The very first thing you need to do is to get an offer letter from the employer, because without an offer letter you can't enter in the Ireland or you can't process your visa application. So for this you need to select a job for which you are applying or on the basis of which you will get an offer letter. So for that, here is a list of occupations in which you can apply. You just simply click on it, and here is the list of all the occupations which are eligible and in which you can apply. You can select the relevant occupation which is similar or which is relevant to your field, just like here is information technology and telecommunication professions, or health professionals, or therapy professionals. Means that I think that here is each and every job, every occupation is present. So what you need to do, you need to just simply select it and memorize this code in your mind. Where it will be used, you need to just put it in the search bar, which I will tell you later on, for searching your job. Let's come back to our page. Okay, here are 1 to 2 most important things which I have to share with you. Firstly, let's talk about the salary. Okay, if occupation with a minimum salary 38,000 euros, if someone is offering you less than 38,000 euros, you shouldn't have to apply for that. Okay, because it is based on the annual basis, so you shouldn't go for the 38,000 euros. You should have to search for the occupation which are offering you more than 38,000. Okay, the first thing is this, and second thing, you need to keep in your mind that you should apply for a job which are offering you 2 years job offer. Okay, so if someone is giving you offer letter for 2 years or contract of 2 years, then you have to apply for this. If someone is offering you less than this, you shouldn't have to apply for that. Okay, next, if we talk about the application process, it will simply start from here. I will tell you each and every step. Here we are having Critical Skills Employment Permit Checklist. What you need to do, you have to download it, and simply after downloading it, you need to go through it. Okay, here each and every detail about this application is given, so this is very important for you guys to read it. Okay, we are firstly having employer details. Here we are having each and every detail about the employer. Okay, after that, employee details means that these are the requirements which you have to give to the in the documents or in the application process. So you have to go through this whole document. After this, we will later on discuss about the whole application process. Firstly, let me tell you about the fee. The processing fee for the Critical Skill Employment Permit is only 1,000 euros. Just look at this, guys. They are only charging the 1,000 euros. And the one plus point is this, and if application is unsuccessful, then 90% of the application will be refunded. Application fee will be refunded. Means that if your application is rejected by the Irish government, then you will be refunded by the 90% of the fee. Means that only 10%, means 10 euros will be wasted, or other rest of the money you will get it back. After that, there is residency renewals. Okay, this is not of your interest. Okay, let's talk about the application process. You just simply click on it. So here is a website for applying for the work permit in Ireland. Okay, we are having here 2 options. Number 1, help me choose employment permit application form, and number 2, I will select application permit application form, employment permit application form from the list. Okay, I will go with the help me choose an employment permit application form. Okay. So here they are giving you two categories. I am an employer or I am an employee. So I am an employer, so I will go with this option. After that, select employment permit type. Apply for new employment permit or renew existing employment permit. As I am applying newly, so I will go with this option. And now they are saying what type of employment permit do you wish to apply? Okay. So guys, here they are asking you that what type of employment permit you are applying for. And as I have told you before that there was an occupation list, you have to select your relevant occupation or relevant field. And after that, you have to put it in the search bar, which I have told you before. So here we are having that thing. Critical skill employment permit. If you are having your relevant job in that list, you can go with this option. And if you are not having your relevant option, relevant occupation or relevant field in that list, then you can simply go with the general employment permit. Or if you are applying on the basis of sport or culture, then you can go with this option, sport and culture employment permit. And if someone is espousing you or someone is calling you, so you can go with this dependent partner or spouse employment permit. Means that if you are having any family member in their island and he is calling you for living with them, so you can go with this option. Okay, if you want to go with the internship, then you can simply apply for the internship employment permit. And if you want to go on exchange agreement employment permit, you can simply go on this. Okay, so without wasting any time, we will simply go with this critical skill employment permit. Okay, now here they are asking for your details, passport number. You simply have to put your passport number, passport expiry date, first name, last name. So from here, your application form has been started. So you can simply put your all details over here and simply click on the proceed. Okay, guys. Once you have applied successfully for acquiring your offer letter, you need to wait for the response, and you can usually get your response within 6 to 8 weeks if your application is accepted. Now, you have to apply for the visa. The visa which you have to apply for is long-term D visa, and for applying for the visa, you need to go on website inis.gov.ia. So I am already on the website. You can see this type of page. So after coming on this website, you will have three options. I would like to come to Ireland. I am in Ireland and I am in Ireland, but my circumstances have changed. So I will go with the first option. I would like to come to Ireland. Okay, now they're asking why you would like to come to Ireland, for visit, for work, for study, to live, or to join family. So we will go with the option to work. Okay, once you will get this page, now after coming over there, look, they have told you that if you're planning to stay longer than 90 days, you will also have to register. Okay, so we are having four options. What are my options for working in Ireland? What are my work visa options? What do I need to do after I arrive? Or frequently asked question. Oh, simply we are applying for the visa, so we will go with the second option. What are my work visa options? Okay, so here they are asking which type of visa we are applying for, less than 90 days or more than 90 days. Obviously, we are applying for long-term stay, then we will go with this long-term stay, more than 90 days. Okay. Now they are asking that depending on your permission, you will have to submit different documentation with your visa application. You can find out more by clicking on the, okay. They are asking employment visa. Okay. So we will go with the first option, employment visa. And now after coming on this page, okay, they are now fully giving us the whole information about the introduction, when you can apply or how to apply, and the fee of it, how long will it take, activities not permitted. Simply after reading all these things, you need to come over here. Now this is the most important section of this page. what you need to apply for, what documents will be required, what are the requirements of the office and of the visa consultants. All these things are mentioned over here. First thing is you need to have two color passport size photographs, not more than 6 months old. Okay, if you will click on more information, they are telling that your name and visa application reference number must be printed clearly on the back, and more information on the photographs. Okay, if you want to know more about it, you can simply click on the more photograph requirement. So the next option is your current passport and a full copy of all previous passports. No matter you are having more than one passports and they are expired, you still have to give the whole information about your previous passports. Next one is a signed application letter. You have to give the signed application letter. Okay, after that, employment permit from the Department of Enterprise or Trade or Employment. Okay, the letter which you will get from the employer, you have to submit that as well. Contract of employment, if you are having any contract of employment or letter for employer in Ireland, these are both are the same thing. So if you are having any one of these things, you can simply submit these things. Okay, after that, evidence of qualification. If you are having any degrees like FSc from Pakistan, we are having FSc or matriculation or graduation or master's, MPhil, PhD, you have to give all these documentations. After this, that finances, and next one is medical or travel insurance and previous visa refusal. Okay, guys, the one of the most important thing, if you have applied before, no matter you are applying in any other country and your visa was refused, you still have to give the whole information about the refused visas. So this is also a very important point over here. Okay, if you come down, we are having other certificates just like birth certificate, marriage certificate, death certificates, or divorce certificates. Okay, guys. So, being living in Pakistan or India or wherever you are living, you must be having birth certificates, marriage certificates, death certificates, or divorce certificate, and maybe they are in your local language. Maybe they and that can be in Urdu, that can be Hindi. So you have to translate those all certificates in English, and you have to also give that in the visa application process. So this is the requirement over there. After that, simply we are having more these things. Okay, the return of documents, all the documents of your application must be original. Okay, then you should have to give the original documents. You should keep copies of all documents that are provided, and original documents such as marriage, birth, or death certificates will be returned to you. Okay, they are saying simply that at the time of application for the process, for the visa process, you need to submit the original documents. But after once you will apply, they will return you the original documents such as marriage or birth or death certificates, whatever you have given to them. Other documents such as bank statements or letter of invitation will not be returned. Definitely what you will do with the bank statement, you have to give the original documents to the visa offices. Please provide a list of documents that you wish to have returned with the application. Okay, they are also mentioning this thing that if you need anything back or anything you want to have in the original form and you don't want to get the copy returned, so you can also mention it that you want this thing back or you want this thing, this original thing back. So this is all about the how you can apply for the visa process. Okay guys, now here comes the most important part of this video. As I have mentioned it before that for acquiring the work visa, you need to get an offer letter, and for getting an offer letter, definitely you need to find a job, to hunt a job regarding your field, regarding your occupation. So I have told you that there is a list of occupations, eligible occupations in which you can apply. So here we are on the list. You can simply scroll it down and you can search for your relevant occupation, relevant skills. Okay, just like for example, I'm looking for the registered nurses. Okay, for example, we are looking for the registered nurses. I'll simply copy it, and in our search tab, I will go for the irishjobs.ie. Simply you go for it. Okay, so here it comes the tab. You have to simply go for the jobs.ie. Now, in this section, you have to paste that copied material, and from here you have to select your town, city, your country, just like Ireland. Okay. So now what they will do, they will hunt jobs regarding registered nurses in Ireland for you. Here it comes. Now you can see there are a lot of jobs regarding this one single word, registered nurses. So in this way you can hunt your job easily, very easily. So I have told you before that you shouldn't have to apply for the job who are offering you less than 38,000 euros per annum. Okay, so you have to go for those jobs which are offering you more than this. Okay, some jobs have disclosed the salary and some haven't. So it is better to apply for the jobs who have mentioned it, just like over here. They're offering 37,648 to 47,840 per annum. But we have to look for something else. Okay, the first one, they're offering 38,002 euros to 40,082 euros per annum. So you can simply go for it. So till here, I have told you each and every step, every single point, that what is the very first step you need to get an offer letter, and how you will go and get an offer letter. Definitely you have to apply for any job. How you will get the job, you have to hunt for this, and after hunting the job, you have to apply for this. After that, after getting the response, acceptance of your application, you will get the response, and after getting the response, what you have to do, you have to apply for the visa. And after applying for the visa, you just have to prepare for your arrival in Ireland. So this is the end of the video, and I hope you like my content. Thank you so much. Hasta la vista.